Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages and your profile. Go to your profile, then from the top right corner tap on Settings. Now under Settings, the first option you'll see is Language. Tap on the Language option, then you're gonna see a bunch of options to change the language. Go ahead, select the language that you want, then tap on Save from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change language in Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.